Remote control buttons worn out from heavy use can seriously mess with your chill time, but fixing or avoiding this hassle is easier than you think. So, first off, try to keep your remote clean by wiping it down regularly with a soft cloth. Dirt and oils from your fingers can wear down buttons faster, you know? If you want to go next level, get a little silicone cover for your remote. Those things protect the buttons like a champ. When pressing buttons, don't mash them super hard. Gentle taps last longer and feel better too. If you're always losing your remote, consider getting a universal one that's more durable and easier to replace. Also, keep snacks and drinks away from your remote to avoid sticky messes that ruin button function. If a button is already sticking or not working right, try carefully popping off the cover and cleaning underneath with a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol. And if you're feeling fancy, some remotes let you reprogram buttons through an app or settings menu, which can help bypass broken ones without buying new. One of the biggest mistakes people make with remote controls is ignoring spills and grime, which leads to sticky, unresponsive buttons. Cleaning right away fixes this. Another common issue is pressing buttons too hard or repeatedly, which wears out the contacts inside. Just tap gently to keep buttons working longer. The third problem is not protecting the remote when kids or pets are around. Using a silicone cover or dedicated spot helps avoid accidental damage and keeps things working smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to get real work from people needing reliable home repairs and upgrades without all the usual hassle.